from my heart and from my hand. Why don't people understand my intention?
So we've been deliberating for a couple of years on whether to do a nut and bolt restoration on Monty, our 998 automatic Mayfair, but he's running so well we didn't really want to disrupt him. So we decided to start a ground up project. As you can see here, we found a 1996 1300i. Now it came with many parts, but it did not come with the engine or gearbox, so this gives us a great opportunity to turn it into a 1275 carburettor automatic. Of course, that's if we can find an engine. So if we start at the beginning, collection day, we picked up the Mini from The Hague, drove it east. It was impossible for us to tell what parts were included and what parts were not included. Obviously we could tell there was no engine, but everything was basically piled up inside. So we took everything out, jet washed it down, pleasantly surprised. There's a limited amount of rust on this particular model. Usual places around the window, seams, rain gutter, and there's some work to be done in the rear boot, but other than that, in very good condition. Even the leather interior with a good clean and a steam clean will look pretty good. Looking at the rust a little closer, and you'll see minimum on the front, around the windows, typical rain gutter issues, but not too bad. The brake fluid leaked at some point, stripped the paint from the bulkhead, and most of the work is in the rear. The boot floor needs replacing, and certainly the valance will need replacing. So it's mid-July 2019. The objective is to try and get Sky finished for London to Brighton 2020, which leaves us the winter to basically do a complete rebuild and find an engine and hopefully get it running reliably for next year's events. Thanks for listening, stay tuned, and talk to you soon.